Samsung announced its new Galaxy F34 F series in the mid-price category. The phone comes with very great specifications, making it fast and smooth to use whatever. In this video, we will learn together about all the specifications, advantages, disadvantages and price of Galaxy F34. Let's get started. Welcome back to the world of mobile phones. I'll start first on the date of the announcement of the phone and its release in the market. The phone was officially announced on August 7, 2023. Pre-booking started in India, and the release in the Indian market will be on August 12, 2023, God willing. Network and SIM. It supports two 5G SIM cards and installing a memory with a single SIM. Phone dimensions. The length is 161.7 millimeters. Width 77.2 millimeters. Thickness 8.8 millimeters. As for the weight, 208 grams. The phone supports Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth and GPS. It also supports NFC for electronic payment and file transfer. It supports OTG function to transfer files through the charging port. And there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The phone supports video, photo and document editor. The player supports many audio and video file formats. It supports fingerprint. On the side it also supports face unlock. The phone also supports accelerometer, convergence, default, compass and gyroscope. The colors of the phone are green and black. Screen specifications. It comes in a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED type with full HD++ quality with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a pixel density of 396 pixels per inch. The screen supports 16 million colors, the brightness rate is 1000 nits. And it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection layer. Software and hardware. Operating system. Android version 13 with One UI 5.1 user interface. As for the processor, from Samsung Exynos 1280 with 5 nanometers manufacturing technology, octa-core. And the Mali G68 graphics processor. Storage and RAM. The phone has two versions. First edition, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The second edition, 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It is possible to add a micro SD memory card up to 1 TB. It is added to the second SIM card slot. Cameras. The rear is 3 lens with LED flash. The first 50 megapixel lens has an aperture of f/1.8 with WAW optical image stabilizer. The second 8MP ultra-wide lens has a 120-degree shooting angle with f/2.2 aperture. The third lens has a resolution of 2MP, aperture f/2.4. It supports HDR modes, panorama, night photography, slow shooting, scene recognition with artificial intelligence, autofocus, and shooting 4K videos with a resolution of 2160 pixels with a capture rate of 30 and 60 frames per second. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 13 MP with f/2.2 aperture. It supports HDR and video shooting in full HD quality with a resolution of 1080p with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Battery. It comes with a capacity of 6000 mAh and supports 25 watts fast charging and the Type-C charging port. Phone box contents. The phone. USB Type-C cable. SIM card slot opening pin. Quick user guide. Disadvantages and advantages. First, the flaws. The battery cannot be removed. It does not support installing an external memory card with two SIM cards at the same time. It is also a disadvantage. The phone does not come with the charger head in the box. As for the features, the design is great and similar to that of the Galaxy S23 in the leading price category. The large 6000 mAh battery lasts a long time in all uses. The processor is fast and smooth in any use, especially in heavy games, and is energy efficient. The screen is powerful and fast because it is Super AMOLED with high quality and supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The rear cameras are great and high quality and their colors are consistent and support shooting videos in 4K quality. The front camera also has a very high quality. Finally, the Galaxy F34 supports the 3.5mm headphone jack. Priced $240 for the 6GB RAM version and 128GB storage. $255 for the RAM 8 version and 128GB storage. Very important note. The price may vary by an increase or decrease of 10% depending on the country or markets. At the price, we are done with this video. If you liked the video and benefited, don't skimp on support. Like the video and follow us on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. See you in a new video.